Do you want to get rid of acne and pimples and want a naturally glowing skin? And you are also tired of using beauty products loaded with chemicals? Then this video is for you.
Hello friends, I am Yashasvi from Med Supervision, and today we will talk about a simple and easy method to get naturally glowing skin. Yes, and we will also talk about some common habits that can enhance and increase the chances of having acne and pimples. And just by changing these habits and just by changing your lifestyle, you can reduce the chances of having skin problems like acne and pimples and can get a naturally glowing skin. So without any further ado, let's get started. Skin problems are something that is experienced by all of us at least at some point of time in our life. Let's take the example of the teenage stage, also known as the adolescent stage, when most of us have experienced pimples and acne, and it happens due to hormonal changes in the body. Similarly, when your face produces excess oil, then also you can witness acne and pimples. And if you do not maintain proper face hygiene, then also you can see acne and pimples on your face. According to Ayurveda, when you eat certain types of food that increase the temperature of your body, then also you can witness acne and pimples on your face. So let's see what are the common habits that can cause you acne and pimples. The first habit that most of us practice every day is washing your face 4 to 5 times a day. And that is totally wrong. It is a myth and a rumor that is spread in the name of face hygiene. Yes, you do not need to wash your face 4 to 5 times a day. You only need to wash your face twice a day, like you brush twice a day. But why? It is because whenever you wash your face many times, several times in a day, what happens is your face loses its essential oil, and in reaction your face and your body produces more oil that can trigger acne and pimples formation. So only wash your face twice a day, that is in the morning and in the night before you go to bed. The second habit that you need to get rid of is avoid touching your face frequently. Yes, you should not touch your face frequently. But why? Because your hand comes in contact with various surfaces like the remote of your AC, your doorknob, as well as your phone. They contain a lot of germs and bacteria, and whenever you touch your face with these hands, these germs and bacteria can get transferred to your face, causing acne and pimples. So you should avoid this habit of touching your face frequently. Another habit that you need to get rid of is avoid using chemical-based products as much as possible. Yes, in the name of beauty products, we use a lot of chemical-based products. All of them have chemicals that can give you short-term benefits but can be a lot of harmful in the long run. You become dependent on them for the short-term benefits, but in the long run it can have a lot of impact. You can get acne and pimple problems that are temporary and can become permanent. So try to avoid chemical-based products and go for natural products. Another factor that can cause you skin problems is taking a lot of stress. Yes, you heard it correct. When you take a lot of stress, then your body releases a lot of hormones, and there is hormonal change in your body that can lead to formation of acne and pimples on your face. So what you need to do? You need to control your stress levels. But how can you do it? You can do it by meditating. Yes, you can add meditation in your lifestyle. You can add yoga in your lifestyle. Try to exercise daily. Try to spend some time in greenery, in green plants. All of these can help you reduce your stress levels. So these were some common habits that you need to get rid of to reduce skin-related problems like acne and pimples. Before sharing with you the simple and easy natural DIY method of getting a naturally glowing skin, I will share with you few lifestyle changes that you should add in your life to get a naturally glowing skin. So the first thing is to have a balanced diet. Yes, a balanced diet can do miracles to your skin as your body gets all the required nutrients it requires to function properly. If you're facing acne and pimples right now, currently at the moment, then try to avoid spicy food for some time. Instead, add dietary fibers like lentils and oats in your diet. If you want to have dry fruits, then soak it in water and then have it, as it will help you in maintaining your body temperature, because increased body temperature can cause acne and pimples. You should also avoid having foods that have high amount of sugars and salt in it, because it restricts your kidney to flush out toxins from your body. And all of these can result in having acne and pimples on your face. Exercise daily. Yes, you might have noticed that whenever you exercise, there is a good glow on your face. This is because whenever you exercise, there is good flow of blood in your body, and when the blood circulation is good, your body gets good amount of oxygen and it results in a glow on your face. Stay hydrated. Drink quite a good amount of water. It will surely help you in getting a good glow on your face. Also maintain your proper hygiene. You should wash your face towel, as well as your pillow covers at least once a week. So these were some simple and easy habits that you should follow in your daily life to get rid of skin related problems like acne and pimples and have a good glow on your face. Now I will tell you about that simple and easy method, and for that you require nothing else but a simple ingredient, that is besan, also known as gram flour. You require besan. It is easily available in the market and I'm sure it will be in your house as well. Besan has a lot of benefits if you add it in your diet, like it has unsaturated fatty acids and certain vitamins that can help you in controlling your diabetes. It can help you in strengthening your bones as well. Also, it has a lot of benefits for your skin. For example, it is a very good cleanser. You can use it as a substitute to soap. It can help you in removing your tan, and it can also help you in tightening your skin, as it has some anti-aging elements in it. I will be telling you how to make this simple and natural face pack depending on your skin type. For oily skin, you require besan along with few drops of lemon juice plus a pinch of turmeric powder. And for dry skin, you require besan along with few drops of milk plus a pinch of turmeric powder. Now let me tell you at what time you need to apply this face pack and for how many days. You need to apply this face pack in the morning when you wake up, get fresh and apply this face pack according to your skin type. You have to apply this face pack every morning for 7 days to get results. You will see your skin will come in its best form and you will surely have a good glow on your face. Do share with us your results after applying this face pack in the comment section. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the information shared in this video, do like and share this video amongst your friends and family. If you want to see more videos on similar topic, then subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for our videos. Also, do not forget to share your results with us in the comment section. I'm Yashasvi and it's a goodbye from my side.